Graph 0.04 on the number line. So here we have this number line that goes from 0 to 0.1 or 1/10. And between 0 and 1/10 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal spaces. So each of these spaces represents 1/10 of the distance. It's 1 out of 10 equal spaces. Or we could say it is 1/10 of this 10th. It's a 10th of the way to 1/10. That's a little bit tricky. Maybe let's pause and look at that visually and think about what does a 10th of a 10th really mean. So here I have already drawn a picture that's divided into 10 equal pieces. And if we shade one of them, then we're shading 1/10. This right here is 1/10. And this amount right here is what the number line showed. The whole number line showed 1/10. But then we had divided that 10th into 10 equal pieces. So if we split that 10 into 10 equal pieces, we're going to have something like this. So here again, this top row would represent the entire 10th from the whole number line, but each little piece would be one of those 1/10 of that whole 10th. Or, so this is what each little piece on the number line represents, or we could say that's 1/100th. A 10th of a 10th is a 100th, because when you divide 10 into 10 equal pieces, you're going to end up with 100 pieces. So a 10th of a 10th is a 100th. So looking back at the number line, now we know that this distance, a 10th of our 10th, is a 100th. And we want to graph 0.04. Well, this 4 right here, this 4, let's think about place value. The zeros and the ones, the next 0 in the 10th, and this 4 is in the hundredths. So we could call this 4 hundredths, or even the fraction 4 hundredths. So if one of these lengths is 100th and we want to go 4 hundredths, then we're going to need to go 4 of these lengths. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these lengths would be 4 of the hundredths, or 0.04.